heading to Disney World and approaching your 60-day window? Well, that's awesome and exciting because that means your trip is just around the corner. But what is this 60-day window you speak of? Let's chat dining reservations. Here we go. 60 days prior to your arrival day at Disney World, you will have the option to book enchanting extras, a Bippity Boppity boutique, and dining reservations. But today, we're going to zone in on that dining. Walt Disney World has multiple dining options in and out of the 4 parks. Do you have to make Disney dining reservations? No, of course not. There are plenty quick service places to eat and snacks to grab everywhere you go. But if you're looking to enjoy a character dining or a sit-down restaurant, it would be in your best interest to hop on that app 60 days prior to your vacation at 6 a.m. when your window will open up to book your trip's dining reservation. And as you can see, I hit that reserve dining, and you can always practice on your app even before your window begins. Follow the prompts from there to see what options you might be looking at for your trip. I'm just playing around with dates right now just to show you what the screen looks like and what steps it will take you through. Once you click your party size and a date, which again, we're just practicing at this time, it will start asking you for possible filters, like what time are you looking for? You can also filter by the area, which park you might be looking at, or if you're not looking at any parks at all, it'll ask you for Disney Springs area. I'm going to select all of them right now just so that you can see some of the options that are available. And once again, I'm not actually booking dining right now, so you can do this as practice as well. Scrolling through the app here, it's going to show you everything that's possibly available, character, non-character, and all these sit-down restaurants. And once again, you will not find your quick service restaurants on here. That will be done in a separate place on the app, but they do not need to be reserved, so no worries. Now I'm going to head back, and I actually am going to select a filter. We're going to look at character dining only. Once we've selected that, I'm going to scroll through here just so that, again, you can see what might be available. Akershus is going to be one of your princess themed character dinings at Epcot. Cape May Cafe right below there, you'll see, is not in a park, so you can actually do that on the boardwalk on a non-park day. I pulled up Akershus. As you can see, it does inform you of the location. It is in Epcot. If you're going to do a dining reservation inside of a park, you will need a park ticket on that day. Again, there are plenty of character dining or other dining options that are not inside parks, so you might want to do that on a rest day or at a time that you might be heading out of the park for a little bit. Any of these options you can click on, read the descriptions. It'll give you an idea of the cost. It'll give you an idea of what characters might be there if you are looking at the character dining, and also note the refund policy. It is going to ask you to leave a credit card on file. Most of the time you do have a nice cancellation window, but make sure you're looking at all of that before you book. Another thing that I want to note that is incredibly important is some of these character dinings are not all day. For instance, if you are to go to Ohana to see Stitch and his friends, the characters only make an appearance for breakfast. So if you just happen to see that it is incredibly hard to get an earlier time at Ohana, but one pops up at 5 p.m., please know there will not be characters at that 5 p.m. So again, always make sure you read that fine print, read to make sure that they're not just character breakfast dining, and if it is, that you might want to look at those specific times. If you are on the Disney dining plan, there will always be an option that you can click, and it will show you if it does take the Disney dining plan or not. And it will also show you how many credits it will take. The Disney dining plan and the quick service plans are 2 different plans, and please remember that the Disney dining plan is the more expensive one with the table service, and that's what these will fall under. If you're looking for more of a princess themed dining, you have Akershus in Epcot. You also have Cinderella's Royal Table, which is in the castle, so that can be a difficult one. You will want to have your fingertips ready at 6 a.m. to try and choose that one. If you're looking for Mickey and his friends, you have Chef Mickey's that's at the Contemporary. You also have Tusker House and Animal Kingdom. You have Minnie Mouse and her friends at Cape May, Topolino's at the Riviera Resort. And again, you have plenty of options that do not even have characters if you want to eat later in the day, or if you're just looking for a nice sit-down breakfast, lunch, dinner without characters. You have those options as well. We also can't leave out our friends Winnie the Pooh and Chip and Dale. Okay, but let's talk money. Character dining, or any of these dinings, honestly, can get expensive. So are these necessary for your trip to have a fantastic time? Absolutely not. But if you feel like this could add a little magic to the trip, then go for it. And my advice to you, if you're not sure, go ahead and book what you think you might want on your 60-day booking window. And again, check out those cancellation policies, because normally they're pretty good. And if you change your mind later on, it's usually pretty easy to cancel right there on the app with no penalty, as long as you do it within the correct time frame. And then there's always the question, well, what if I don't get the dining that I want? There are always possibilities that more times will open up as you get closer to your trip. And do I have to book a dining reservation just to see characters? No, there are plenty of character meet and greets throughout the parks. Check your apps, see where they might be available, give your hugs, get your autographs, and make your memories. And remember, this is your vacation, so sit back, relax, have fun exploring that app, slow down, and enjoy making each one of those memories.